Good afternoon again. It's Mark 2E1CQ, another video on the KV4P HT project, where you can turn the actual device, the KV4P device, into ham radio. It's got to work via a mobile phone, and it would only work at the moment on Android. Not too sure if there's any updates as regards to iOS, but for this moment it's on an Android device. So go to Play Store, download the app. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. Once it's there, open it up. Hopefully you can see it. Now it actually says no firmware installed. It says that a couple of times, but it doesn't really matter. So what you have to do is click on this, go to firmware flash the firmware, and it actually does it for you. It doesn't really take long because I'm at home and it's on Wi-Fi anyway. However, the little unit here, and it's done it, the little unit here, or attached to the phone via its cable, doesn't actually work off Wi-Fi. It doesn't work off any mobile data or cell phone data. It's purely for controlling the frequencies. This particular version is a 2-meter version, and you can also have 70 sems. You can play about with the frequencies just by doing the keypad. Done it, and it comes off like that. I'm getting notifications on my phone. I'm not too sure if you can see those. It doesn't really matter for the moment. However, this is version 2, and it does come with a separate PTT, which is actually on the device. Now I'm going to put a call out on 1452250. That's where a local group of friends of mine hang out. All through the squelch is a little high. We go through the settings in a minute. All through the squelch could be a little bit high, but I should be able to hear them. However, this unit only knocks out 1 watt. I doubt very much I'm going to get anything back here. I don't normally do very well on 2 meters. I don't have anything outside up on the roof or in the garden. I have no white stick. All I operate is just handheld to handheld, and I don't really get that far. So I don't expect anybody to come back and say hi, blah 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 blah, blah on this slot, because I don't think it's actually going to happen. But I will show you how to obviously TX. Right, okay, I think the frequency is actually clear. When you PTT, you can put a call out. You can see where it PTTs on the actual app here. I put a call out. 2E1CQ 2 Echo 1 Charlie Echo Quebec. Just testing a small device from Banggood that operates via a mobile phone. Anybody about? 2E1CQ standing by. Anybody about for 2E1CQ 2 Echo 1 Charlie Echo Quebec, doing a YouTube video on the KV4P HT project, a radio module connected to your mobile phone, but it doesn't use mobile phone services. Anyone want to be famous for 5 minutes? 2E1CQ. No, it doesn't look like anybody's actually going to come back. I doubt it, because as you can see from the screen, it's just after 5. It's half term. They may be out with their kids or coming back from work. But yes, go to the settings. You put your call sign in. You can adjust your squelch. Power is high. I'm not too sure the reason why that is, because I understand it only pushes out 1 watt. So scroll on down. You've got a few details there: high pass filter, low pass filter. Sticky PTT, I'm not too sure what that means. Disable animations, I don't know, haven't really used this that often. It does do APRS, and APRS over here in the UK is 144800. So you can set that up and hopefully transmit APRS data. I understand the version 2 can do some messaging, although I haven't actually tried that. And obviously when you set it up, you've got the bandwidth there, 25 kHz, the 2 meter frequency and the 70 sems frequency. However, this isn't a dual band module, it's only a single band module, 2 meters. There is a separate 70 sems module. I think the reason why they do it is because you can actually use it on the same app rather than have 2 different apps for 2 different frequencies. And that will give you the app firmware version 1.9.9.3, firmware version 15. And that's how you actually do it. It's annoying when somebody can't come back, so what I'll probably do in the future, I'll do another video. I can go outside. Down here in Christchurch and Dorset, we do have St Catherine's Hill, so one side to the west is really blocking it, really, because I'm not going to get over St Catherine's Hill on this device. But I can certainly walk up it, or halfway up, and see what I actually get out and about. But you could, with its separate antenna, it's only on an SMA connection, you could take that off and make up some sort of flower pot antenna, or stick it on a mobile whip and mag mount on your car there. And that's not actually too bad. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for the YouTube. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Any comments, please come back. All the best. 73s. Bye, guys.